You know, studies have shown that people distracted by emotional issues are poor drivers.
What about people distracted by irritating passengers?
That would be hard to test because irritating is a subjective quality.
Wrongly disagree.
Can I drive?
No, you can't drive. You don't even have a license.
Actually, I do.
Really? Since when?
3 years ago, I went on a bit of a license kick. I'm also a commercial fisherman.
Then why don't you ever drive yourself?
Honestly, I barely passed my test. And the one time I drove on my own, I made a U-turn, got dizzy, threw up, and walked home.
You really want to drive?
It seems like the perfect time. The roads are straight, there's no one around, and you don't seem to care if you live or die.
Live, Sheldon. I want to live.
That makes things a little trickier, but I'll do my best.
Your hands are at 10 and 2. Good. Steady on the gas. Okay. Now you're gonna wanna slowly switch lanes
Why?
because there are only 2 and you're not in either of them. Attaboy! Well done!
Thank you. Like the last time I drove, I was terrified, but this is fun.
You're doing great.
You're a good teacher. Your son is going to be lucky to have you as a father.
Thanks.
Do you think I could try going a little faster?
Go for it, champ.
Ow.
Sorry, just ease on the gas and...
Oh, too much! Too much! Why was I scared of this? This is exhilarating.
No, it's not! Slow down!
Don't tell me what to do. You're not my father.
Do you know how fast you were going?
112.
Let me see your license.
Okay, here's the plan.
No.
Fine. There you go. You know what? You can just keep it.